बैंड दे मेरे पास बेल्ट नहीं है चला रिस्क
भाई सीट बेल्ट डाल दो सही, मैं गाड़ी चला रहे।
मेरे पास है बेल्ट
चलो भाई चलो चलो चलो
हां
पक्का?
Let's go. Hey, let's go. We are here at Lake Louise. This is one of the famous tourist spot in. It's mid-April and you can see the lake is still frozen. It will take another month to melt. Behind me you can see the Fairmont Hotel, Lake Louise. And so we have decided to hike to Agnes tea house. So we just started the hike right now. We'll keep you updated.
मजा नहीं आएगी फिर लेकिन
ट्राई करते हैं।
So we'll go here, right?
No you
3.4.
No you won't make it.
Why not? 3.4 kilometers.
चलिए सरफराज कहाँ हो यार?
अबे मैं सब
10 minutes into hike and everyone is tired. Okay, so we reached. Acha, Lake Agnes is half mile. Okay, and Plains of Six Glacier is 4 miles on the left. Okay, cool. So let's show you. It's all frozen right now. So okay, let's go. It's half mile from here till Agnes Tea House. So let's go. So the lake was called Mirror Lake. It's frozen. Probably we have to come in June or July to see this lake.
अपने हाथ खाली रखो।
We are at Agnes Tea House. Look man, we are having some food, taking some rest.
शांति से बैठो।
So guys, this was Agnes Tea House and now we are hiking to little Beehive. It's 1.1 kilometer. We have to cross. We are. So I am on the little Beehive peak. You can see Fairmount Hotel behind me, and you can see the highway back there. It's pretty cool, very relaxing. Oh man, look at the, what it's called, like Fairmount Hotel, Lake Louise. So guys, I'm not going to go far, we'll stay here. It took us 3 hours of hike to get these views from the Beehive mountain. Oh man, that's a beautiful view. So this is our first hike of the season. I think this hike might be really good in summer because the views from a couple of spots are really good. So maybe we'll try to come this summer, and probably we'll do the big Beehive trail and see what are the views from there. Look at him, man. Look at him. Check that. Sarfaraz also.
This is the best way.
Man, it's fun. So we are back to Lake Louise, and then from here we'll go to Banff town. We are in Banff town and we'll have some food here. So this is the end of the video. If you like this video and if you want to see more videos like this, don't forget to subscribe my channel.
Spinach, yeah, creamy sriracha, garlic, aioli,